Two more limits here. What we have is that, okay, if I want to find the limit of the base as x goes to plus infinity, 2 over x goes to 0. 1 minus 0 is 1, and limit of the exponent is infinity. All that's nice. We have power indeterminate forms. To deal with the power ones, I had a different trick in my videos for the course, but here I'm going to use different trick that a to the power b, we can write it as e to the power b ln a. So this will be e to the power. A is b is x. A is 1 minus 2 over x. And then e is a good function. I can take that one in. And then you see that I have to deal with this limit. By this trick, you always turn power indeterminate forms into product indeterminate forms. Look, limit of x ln of 1 minus 2 over x as x goes to plus infinity. Limit of first one is infinity. Limit of the second one is ln of 1, which is 0. So we know how to deal with those guys. Write one of them as 1 over 1 over x. So 1 over 1 over f of x. In this case, I'll write that one. And well, that will turn my limit to 0 over 0 indeterminate form. And then I can use Labtube. Limit of derivative of ln of u is u prime. Here, 2 over x squared over u prime over u. And limit of derivative of 1 over x is negative 1 over x squared. We can cancel this guy with that. Well, remember that there's 1 there. And then rewrite everything, and this will be limit of 2. There's a negative sign. I'll write that up there. 1 minus 2 over x as x goes to plus infinity. This is negative 2 over 1 minus 0, and that is negative 2. What is negative 2? The limit of x times ln of 1 minus 2 over x. But our original limit is not that. It is sorry about that. Our original limit is e to the power that limit. So it's e to the power negative 2, which is 1 over e squared. The second limit, well, remember that nth root of something is that something to the power 1 over n. So here, we have x to the power 1 over 1 minus x. And right away, as x goes to 1 from the left, you see that the base has limit 1, but the power has limit 1 over 0 from the positive side, which is infinity. 1 to the power infinity. Then we rewrite this as e to the power 1 over 1 minus x ln x as x goes to 1 minus, and take limit inside. This is ln x over 1 minus x. So by just doing what I did there, writing as one fraction, I kind of get rid of that 0 infinity times 0, and I turned it automatically to infinite 0 over 0 case. So now I want to deal with this guy. Limit of 1 over x is the limit, the derivative of ln x is 1 over x, limit of that guy. So that is equal to 1 over negative 1 over negative 1. Sorry, 1 over 1 over negative 1, which is negative remember, this is not our final limit. This is what we have to put in the power of e to find our original limit. And that would give me 1 over e as our final result.